Hello, everybody. Oh my gosh, it's gonna get drenched. It's 56 degrees and it's the middle of January right now. Pretty strange weather. I haven't made a video forever. And this is my second. Yeah, a thunderstorm is actually going on right now in the middle of January. I just thought this was the weirdest thing on this planet. And in fact, this is the warmest temperatures I have felt for a while. So, jeez, my iPad is gonna break. Oh my gosh. Better run to get undercover. This is my little puppy. Look at her. That's beautiful. Isn't you beautiful? So yeah, anyway. Thunderstorm going on. It's very surprising. So, the weather a couple of days ago was like, it was like in the minuses, and then it rose up all the way to the storm. I think that's why we're having a thunderstorm. But I have no idea. But I just want to catch some lightning on tape. Jeez, this iPad's so old. I was just like grabbing something. I have a phone that I could have used. Just look at how hard it's raining. It's pouring. You guys probably can't see it very well. This is a very, very big storm. This was all snow yesterday. Alright, some chilly air. I'm in like short sleeves, and I'm not cold. Because I'm so used to like cold weather. Come on! Hi, princess. Hi. Hi. Hi, look! Yeah, it's... Gosh. It is pouring out. My iPad would be broken right now if I was... Jeez, this thing sucks at recording. Anyway. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes. You can't cut on this thing or anything. It sucks. I'm waiting. You guys probably don't even believe me. Trust me. Just feel how hard. Oh, look at my arm. It is soaking wet. And I just stuck my hand out. Alright, I'm gonna back inside. And I have to go back inside. Just look. I'm gonna go upstairs, I think, and just check it out. Is my dad sleeping? I don't know. So, it was in the backyard where I saw lightning. Torrential downpour. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is my room. Computer. And yeah. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it's pouring outside. Oh, you guys. Oh shit. Shoot. You guys might not believe me. But what if I like stop recording and then there's like lightning? I'd be so mad. Yeah, ice. Yesterday there was like so much ice. It was 20 degrees. And today all that ice is melting. This is like crazy snow killer. I cannot believe this weather. This is like insane weather. So, okay, I'm starting to get a little cold. It is raining so hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you next time. If you don't believe me, I'm sorry. I'm telling the truth. Oh my goodness, this is the weirdest weather ever. Alright guys, bye.